What's hot in the kitchen right now? Investing in cookware you'll actually use for decades. What's not? Replacing pans every few years because they wear out. Let's talk about why this Legends cookware set has become one of my favorite kitchen items. Over the last few years, I've been transitioning away from traditional nonstick cookware. After chemo and radiation, I wanted to be more intentional about the products I use every day, especially in my kitchen and with my cooking. I started researching high-quality stainless steel cookware, and that's how I found this Legends 5-ply cookware set. It feels premium the moment you take it out of the box. This stuff is heavy duty. What's hot? It's made from 5-ply stainless steel. Most cookware is made with fewer layers, but this set has 5 layers of stainless steel, which means heat spreads evenly from edge to edge. That means fewer hot spots, more consistent cooking, and much better results whether you're making breakfast or cooking a big family dinner. Another thing that's definitely hot is this cookware is built to last, not just for a few years, but potentially for generations. You could hand this down to your kids. These pans are made with extra thick stainless steel, so they feel incredibly solid without feeling impossible to lift. They resist warping under high heat and are designed for everyday cooking. I also love the polished stainless steel finish. They look beautiful hanging on a pot rack or sitting on your stove. And they instantly make your kitchen look beautiful. And if you have multiple types of cooktops or move in the future, you don't have to worry. These work on gas, electric, glass, and induction. Plus, they're oven safe up to 800 degrees, which is impressive. You can start a recipe on the stove and finish it in the oven without changing pans. Isn't that cool? The hollow cast stainless steel handles are another feature I appreciate. They feel sturdy and secure, and they stay cooler than many solid metal handles during normal stovetop cooking. The flared rims are one of those little details you don't think about until you use them. They pour sauces, soups, and liquids much more cleanly with fewer drips. What's not so hot? Thinking stainless steel is difficult to cook with, it is a little bit of a learning curve. These are not nonstick pans, and they're not supposed to be. The trick is simply learning how to use stainless steel correctly. Preheat the pan first, then add your oil or butter, then add your food. It's really simple once you get used to it. Once I learned that simple technique, cooking eggs, grilled cheese, chicken, and vegetables became so much easier than I expected. Another thing that's not hot, buying cookware just because it's trendy without paying attention to construction. The quality materials on these pans really stands out. Because there's no interior coatings on these, you're cooking directly on stainless steel and there's nothing to wear out over time. That means you're buying cookware that's designed for the long haul instead of planning to replace in a few years. One thing I will mention is that the manufacturer recommends hand washing. I personally think it's worth it to help preserve cookware that's built to last for many years, and they're not that hard to wash out. So, what's hot? 5-ply construction, beautiful polished stainless steel, even heating, oven safe up to 800 degrees, works on every cooktop, including induction, heavy duty, and quality that's made to last. What's not so hot? It's recommended to hand wash. If you're thinking stainless steel is difficult, once you know how to use it, it's actually really easy. For me, this cookware completely solved the problem of wanting a premium quality stainless steel set that feels like an investment instead of something I'll replace in a few years. If I can make one thing in your life easier today, let it be helping you find cookware that you still love years from now. If you've been thinking about upgrading your kitchen, I definitely think this Legends cookware set is worth taking a look at.